Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Bold Reports. When viewing reports, the toolbar plays an important role by providing quick access to commonly used actions, such as exporting, printing, and refreshing reports. In some cases, you may want to extend this functionality by adding custom toolbar buttons to perform your own actions. Bold Reports allows you to easily add and customize toolbar buttons in the JavaScript Report Viewer. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom buttons to the toolbar in the Bold Reports JavaScript Report Viewer. First, to create a JavaScript application, create a new folder and name it JS Report Viewer. Let's open the folder in Visual Studio Code for editing purposes. Create a new HTML file named index.html and add the code. Next is referencing the scripts. Add the necessary scripts in the head tag to load the report viewer. Next, let's initialize the report viewer control in the web application. Create a div element that acts as the container for Bold Report Viewer on the web page, and assign an ID attribute and styles. The ID attribute specifies the unique name for the HTML element, so I'll assign the value viewer. The style attribute adds inline styles to the div element, assigning width and height. Next, add the script tag inside the body and implement JavaScript function inside the body to initialize the Bold Report Viewer control to the div element with the ID attribute. The report service URL specifies the URL of the report service that processes the report. And the report path specifies the path to the report file. In this demo, the Web API service is hosted on my local machine. The report service URL with localhost indicates that the service runs locally on the same machine as the application. And the API report viewer path is the API endpoint for the report viewer. Now, let me show you how to add a custom button to the toolbar. To do this, I'll configure the toolbar settings property while initializing the report viewer. Inside this configuration, use the Custom Items option to define the appearance and behavior of custom buttons. Here, the group index 1 property specifies the toolbar group where the button appears. Index 2 sets the button's position within the group. The custom items property array defines custom toolbar buttons with user-specified functionality. The prefix icon property defines the icon class for the button, while the tooltip provides a header and description for the button's hover text. Lastly, let's define a click event handler for the custom button. This function is triggered when the user clicks the button, allowing you to execute any custom logic such as displaying an alert, navigating to another page, or triggering a custom action. Now, everything is ready to run the application. I run the application, and the report viewer will load in the browser. As you can see, the custom toolbar button appears alongside the existing toolbar items. When I click the button, the custom action is executed successfully. In this video, I have shown you how to add custom buttons to the toolbar in the Bold Reports JavaScript Report Viewer. This feature allows you to extend the default toolbar functionality and tailor the report viewer experience to suit your application needs. Thanks for watching.